Alright, so today we're going to discuss how to create and set up the auto provisioning service built into Call Manager. Let's just jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is go to Device and CTI Route Point. We're going to create a CTI Route Point. Let's just call it Self-provisioning. Stick it in whatever device pool you like. Hit Save. You need to assign a phone number that's going to work for this. Let's go create a partition, which I believe I've already done. So we've already got our PLAR1 partition, and I already have a PLAR1 CSS which contains only the PLAR1 partition. So back in our CTI route point, we're going to go ahead and add this as a directory number here. I'm going to use *100. Doesn't overlap with the rest of my dial plan, so it works out pretty well. Of course, we're not going to use any voicemail. Let's go ahead and hit save. We're not going to do anything else here. Alright, next we want to create an application user. And that application user is going to need to have access to the device. Password doesn't matter, you're not going to be using it. But we do need to type it the same. We need to give it CTI control of our CTI route point, which we did. And we need to put it in the CTI enabled group. This is going to be off screen here, so you're not going to see this, but you'll see when I pop it in. But we're going to put it in CTI enabled and CTI control of all devices. Then we're going to hit save. Alright, now we need to go over to user management and self-provisioning. I'm going to use no authentication required here. If you know what your extension is, it's just going to work for you. We're going to make sure the language is set. Select the CTI route point you just created. Select the application user you just created and hit save. Off screen, it's asking me if I want to save and restart now or save without a restart. The restart is for the self-provisioning service. I actually don't have that enabled yet, so we're not going to worry about it just yet. Alright, next thing that we're going to want to do is look at our universal device template. So user management, user phone add, user device template, or universal device template.